Welcome back. Now that you have completed all of your content, it's now time to start uploading to the Udemy platform. And what you will do is you will come into your curriculum area, and then you will create sections and lectures based on your course content. So for each title of the video, where it fits into a specific section, you will create the lecture and the section. What you will do is you will click Add Lecture. You will then give that lecture a title. And then once you have given your lecture a title, you can click the Add Content button. And then you'll need to decide on what kind of content you're going to upload. If you're just going to have a video, then you're going to click this left button. If you're going to do what's called the video and slide mashup, you're going to click this middle button. That means then that you're going to have a mixture of your video and a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation working together, or you're going to have a written article. So when you've decided what kind of content you're going to create, you're going to click the right button. And for the purposes of this video, we're going to start with a video lecture. What we will do is we will select the video from our hard drive. We will then complete the process by adding in our description and adding in any additional resources. So for example, if you have links, or if you have PDF or any other document that will go along with the video, you're going to select it and you're going to place it here in this section. In this case, you'll note that a PowerPoint has been uploaded. We can also add in an external link. We click External Resource. And we can also add a file from our library. But currently, we don't have a library, but we can create a library with any previously uploaded files or by using the bulk uploader. And you'll see the bulk uploader at the bottom of the page. What we'll need to do is we'll need to click Bulk Uploader. And then we can choose any files from our hard drive or from our cloud drive. Once we have all the files that we're going to be uploading, we'll just click Upload. Udemy will then add those files to our library and make them available as we begin to work with our lectures. So you actually have a way of uploading all of the content at once so that you can begin working on creating your descriptions inside of Udemy. Finally, you can also make a downloadable file available. You can do that by clicking the Select File button, and then you can grab the file from your hard drive. You should make sure that this is something that is virus-free and something that is in a compressed format. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.